Usually we don't look around, we don't hear, we don't observe. For many, theater is pretending. So the actor is called to get out of himself and embrace a character.
Donc le comédien doit sortir, on doit sortir de soi-même pour entrer dans un personnage.
So all the procedure of being an actor is to get out of yourself, to go to neutral, not to exist. You have to be empty in order to get a character and be someone else.
Et donc l'objectif en tant que comédien, c'est de se vider pour pouvoir entrer dans la réalité de notre personnage, de notre être. Donc c'est d'arriver à un stade neutre pour pouvoir se transformer et se mettre dans le pot d'un autre.
So for me, Scream is a good way to have a relief, to get all the tension out, because we need to be relaxed, we need to be calm in order to build a character.
Donc le cri, c'est une façon de se relâcher, de se détendre et de se vider afin de construire un personnage.
So I'm working on this method, hoping to create a tool for teaching theater or acting.
Donc c'est une méthode qui développe pour enseigner le théâtre et aussi pour le jeu professionnel.
Because when I get my hands on actors, young actors, wannabe actors, the biggest barrier is to loosen them up, to relax them, to leave their problems, their thoughts outside of the room.
Donc justement avec les jeunes comédiens, le plus grand défi c'est de les persuader et les aider à se relâcher, à laisser leur soi de côté pour pouvoir se libérer pour jouer.
Close your eyes. But what is a scream? Why do we scream? Any ideas? Why do we scream?
Pourquoi on crie?
La colère.
When we're happy.
When we're
Anger?
happy, ah!
Anger, colère,
Hungry.
Anger.
oh. Liberation,
Ah!
Freedom. Frustration.
Douleur.
Fear.
douleur,
Surprise. Okay. Surprise.
But many people describe the scream as a relief. Like I screamed, and it felt so good.
C'est un relâchement et c'est quelque chose d'agréable.
qui fait du bien.
This air coming out of our mouth brings a kind of relief. So when we are afraid, takes the tension, sends it as a sound, also as a defense. We scream to our fear.
Donc c'est un relâchement de la tension et aussi c'est une façon de se défendre aussi.
When we are happy, the same. The air goes with a different way, a different sound, but still it gives a relief to us. We bring out the joy and share it with other people.
Et l'expression de joie aussi, c'est un relâchement. C'est une autre type de relâchement.
So a scream is a way of communication. It has feelings and it helps us to express ourselves. So, we will try something. Each one of us will have to go. Each one will go in the middle and try to explain to us their psychological status, like stressed, happy, relaxed, angry because they woke up very early, for any reason. Try to express it with a small screen. We don't have to be extreme. Just put the emotions on your screen. Okay?
Donc chacun va faire un passage au milieu et exprimer son état. Ça peut être la joie, ça peut être la colère, ça peut être l'énervement, tout ce qui ça peut exprimer, mais par ce cri.
So, this is a form of communication. I will not tell you when you feel ready, just get your scream out. Take some time, let it purify your body, let it go through your body, and relieve it.
Alors prenez le temps de laisser ça monter et de nettoyer tout sur son passage. Enfin, c'est quand vous êtes prêt.
So, before we close the lights, what we did, we expressed whatever is inside us, the others. Okay, but people see you, so you have still your defenses. Nobody sees you, you are alone. Try
Vous voir, vous êtes seul.
to go deep in yourself, breathe, use your diaphragm, take big breaths.
Respirez profondément et vous rentrez à l'intérieur de vous-même.
Give yourself time.
Prenez le temps.
And when you are ready, give us a real scream. Don't sleep, please.
Pas s'endormir, quand vous êtes prêt, vous pouvez sortir votre cri.
Feel relaxed and give us your true scream. I heard completely different things.
Vous avez remarqué la différence?
That was good.
Let's see what we can do if we put it together. So everybody go there, very close to yourself, to one another.
Donc on va
Against
combiner le côté expression et communication qu'on a construit, et ça se construit petit à petit.
Okay, so be one, very close, touch each other, go one, make one body. So let's start breathing. Inhale, exhale. Try to combine your breathing. Try to feel part of a whole. Get ready. Give it to me. Perfect. People get more free. I can see each one of you how you change through every step. So let's make a circle as we were. What we did with Hamid, now we change the order, so we will mix again the names. We will do the same with the names, but each name will have a small screen. The game we started with Hamid, we will continue, but not the names. We have to remember the screens.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
So, form of communication, the screen. So we will start, and then we will go the other name and the other name. So, Hamid starts because.
Hamid.
Stephen.
Melanie.
Vladimir.
Louisa.
Margarita.
Denis.
Régine. Evita.
Helen.
Lily. Juliette. Maël.
Alexandre. Aurel. Maxime.
Anaïs.
Emma.
Isabelle.
Sylvie.
Nicolas.
Ange.
Alice.
Dionisis.
Alima.
Irène.
Stéphane.
Vladimir.
Luisa.
Margarita.
Il faut dire le prénom.
Dani.
Régine.
Evita.
Lily.
Lily. Maël. Alexandre.
Aurel. Maxime. Anaïs.
Emma.
So as we walk around now, let's try to meet other people, but we will not use words. We will use sounds, scream sounds.
Donc on va l'entendre les uns des autres et on utilise les sons,
That's it.
les cris.
So when you find someone, exchange sounds. Don't scream.